Hey guys, what is up? Welcome to the State of Crypto, your one-stop source for all crypto-related news and technicals. I'm your host Martin, and this is episode 427, technical analysis for crypto. Now, if you're catching this stream live, welcome. If you're catching the replay and have any suggestions for us, please leave us a comment below. We really want to know what you're thinking. Also, if you want to be up to date with the latest crypto-related news and technicals, make sure to subscribe, hit that like button and that bell so you're notified when we go live. And if you want to keep on chatting with us, once the stream is done, join us on Discord. Links in the description. Thank you for being here. Happy Wednesday night. Hope you're having a great time. It's middle of the week. What's happening with crypto? Let's check it out. Let me write something down here real quick though. I know Steve is going to request ADA. We'll do DVT and then we'll do RSR, right? Then after that, I think I'm going to call it a stream. Tonight we're just going to look at crypto. I'm not going to look at markets. Markets did go down today. I looked at them briefly though. But, you know, I need to move through the stream tonight, so thank you guys for being here on that note. Let's see what's happening with market cap. Yesterday, market cap managed to recover a little bit, 1.89%, approximately $10.06 billion. Right now, moving down $4.41 billion. That's a rejection of the 20. We managed to close above the old 786. We knew we could do that. Right now, we're rejecting that 20%, that 20 moving average, which is okay. Again, we're still trying to fight for this area to hold support here, right? So it's okay. We did see a lot of pullback happening, and that's good. We bullishly pull back up. Again, like I said, that's fine. I had the hidden bullish. That's okay. With that note, we're going to move on and look at the market cap. What's happening with Bitcoin dominance? Bitcoin dominance, really just yesterday losing dominance, which means that Bitcoin did a positive price action. And then right now, it's going positive, 0.02. Right now, Bitcoin's actually losing price action. So you got 63.50% of market cap. The price of Bitcoin at $18,411, $413.43 now. Oh, what do we do? Look, remember we traced this channel, so we could be within the channel. We did move down. I mean, we wicked 17,781. We slightly below it, managed to close above it, and still managed to close back into the channel. So, like I said, I'm not worried about crypto until we get below the 17,225 and even break 16,951. Those are my targets. Where I start to get worried about Bitcoin right now. Again, just consolidating. On that note, not a lot happening. Neutral at 53.78 on the RSI. Let's go to the 4-hour chart. Hey, Andrew, would I short Bitcoin? No, dude, I wouldn't short Bitcoin. Still, the downtrend, right? We have the channel. We're taking that potential bounce, right? Look, we're still back. We got back into this area of support resistance. We did break from it briefly yesterday. We did manage to break back into it again on the next candle. So that's okay. Again, it's a reversal. We're seeing that bullishness come back in, and that's okay. Like I said, not super worried about this. We just expanded the Bollinger Bands to the downside a little bit. And again, like I said, we're just consolidating in this range, right? 19,496 to 17,781. And that's, we know we've been in that area for a while because I've been calling this area for consolidation now. On that note, low, lower, low, negative, more negative, low on the RSI to lower point, nothing bullish. So I'm not going to call anything on the 4-hour Bitcoin. Let's do the 1-hour chart. Remember on the 1-hour chart yesterday I left these lines blue. They were not connected to anything in particular because this was 11 p.m. We finished the stream by that time, and I said, look, we are going to come lower. Probably create some bullish divergence and then try to take a pop because I also had this over here and that over there, right? So, you know, so look at what happened, right? That's why I left them blue. That's it, dude. Strong bullish divergence on the 1-hour. Action upside. We're taking that pop. 5904, 58, 55. All right, cool. So we are now creating strong bearish divergence from here to here. Now I gotta change this to yellow. So we can let it mellow yellow, right? We don't have it against RSI. So we have that strong divergence bearish against the MACD, right? We created yesterday by 1 in the morning, some strong bullish divergence, which is okay. It's part of the reason why we managed to pump back up with Bitcoin. And again, we also had this against the RSI. Right now, the bearish divergence is just against the MACD, not against the RSI, right? Shoutstone, can you see if we have a triangle breakout on XRP 1-hour chart? Sure, bro, I'll check out XRP. We always do XRP, but I'll just pay attention particularly to see if we have a triangle breakout. Writing it down, man. Right on that note, Neutral at 50.89 on the RSI, right? Bitcoin again, sideways motion, got back into the downsloping channel. Everything's cool. We're above the 20. We just managed to use that support. Let's see if we continue with that and come up and touch this midline of the downsloping channel. That would be great. And see if we can actually hold support there. Or if we can break above and hold support there. That could potentially target us to at least get here to 19,200, right? Or at least the top part of the channel whenever we reach it. On that note, let's go check out Ethereum. After Ethereum, I'll do XRP. So what's happening with Ethereum again? Same stuff as with Bitcoin, right? The whole market moving in sync. We're calling for this hidden bullish. We got the hidden bullish. It's playing to the upside again. Very nice. Got to the 20. Are rejecting it right now. Again, just like Bitcoin. Neutral at 53.99 on the RSI. Nothing else happening here. On the 4-hour again, we had the bullish divergence that we were looking for. Not sure if we actually managed to keep it towards the next candle, but we were hunting for it here. We still had it, but just let me check. 544. 562. We know we lost it, right? We lost that bullish divergence. But again, we managed to pop. So that's fine. Got that rally, hit the 20. Again, back onto that 547 channel, right, or area of support. Back above this area again, rejecting the 20. Neutral at 45.85 on the RSI. Again, back on the same channel that we've been calling for, 602 to 547, right? That sideways trading channel. So on that note, like I said, neutral. Now this is from the 1 hour. I probably forgot to anchor yesterday. So it's showing up here in the middle of nowhere. And that means this is also from that 1 hour. So nothing bullish here. Let's go to 1 hour chart. Bearish divergence, right? Action to the downside. We didn't create anything bullish, at least not to here when we were live. But again, it just created the same movement that Bitcoin had. And like I said, the whole market is moving more or less in sync. So they're all following each other, right? They're all seeing the same move. Some a little bit of percentage more, some a little bit of percentage less, but they're all doing the exact same thing. No one's, at least none of the main cryptos are acting independently, right? They're most likely all following one another. Kasi Ahmed, hello, mate. How's it going, bro? Thanks for being here. Let's see what's going on here. Ethereum. Again, coming up higher. Right, look, coming in lower again. Strong bearish divergence. Action to downside. We're starting to get that. Hit the 20, trying to hold on support. Let's see if we can negate these because we don't have it against RSI, right? So we might hit here on the 20 and try to go for another pop. That'll be really good for Ethereum. Losing the 20 again would potentially have us retest 547 and even probably try to drop lower than this. It wouldn't be weird for Ethereum to try to drop lower at some point in time and then create some strong bullish divergence from back here, right? Something like that, right? So just keep that in mind as a potential move for Ethereum. What is the BC name? What? Sorry, bro. I didn't quite get that. What BC? What's BC? I'm not sure, dude. Anyways, right on. Price support at 20. Trying to take a pop. Let's go to XRP. What is going on with XRP again, dude? Look, I'm gonna have to hide the Bollinger Bands. We're starting to get tightness on the Bollinger Bands, which is okay. That means volatility is leaving the market. But let's see where we're at, man. Again, we created this bullish divergence, right? We're kind of tracking, and it did play us to the upside, which is fine. Again, still within this channel, right? 5872 to 5481. We did wick below this area. At some point in time at night, I got this alert triggered, or no, sorry, I got another alert triggered, one of my alerts. They were moving down. I'm kind of glad that we kind of pushed back up along with the rest of crypto. I'm sad that we didn't close above that 58.72 because it did go to 60.5 cents. So it did pump a little bit. Right now, again, rejecting this area. And we might be moving into this channel, right? Right now, the price of XRP at 57.38 cents. Sorry, my bad. I meant your name. It's Martin, dude. It's right there. Right there. Right now. So let's go to the 4 hour. Again, bearish divergence in the 4 hour. We move down on that. That's fine. Low, lower, low. Are we making some bullish divergence? I think we might be. Yes, we are. Great stuff. Look at this. Boom, boom. Right here. Round. We don't have it here against the RSI. Just sitting oversold at 27.93 here, and then we didn't have any kind of divergence. We had the bullish divergence here against the MACD, and that was good enough for us to go up. I mean, we were oversold, had bullish divergence, taking that small pop. Like I said, right, went above that 58.72 area. moving close below it, and right now, you know, we wicked it again and moved down. My alerts were triggering a lot today, but yeah. Sorry, I just done a long 11-hour shift. That's awesome, bro. Yeah, we're gonna do Cardano, by the way. I will do Cardano. Right. Neutral at 47.51 on the RSI. Let's go to 1 hour chart. If you like what we do, by the way, hit that like, that bell, that sub. After this, right now it's an XRP, so we're in the 1 hour chart. And Sean, you asked for see if there was a triangle breakout. I'm gonna check that out in a second. Right, we had the bullishness, we rallied, we dropped, we didn't have anything bullish here. We just follow the rest of the market. Again, went back above that 54.81, found support there right beautifully, and then we took that nice pop to the upside, breaking above that 58, failing to close the next candle above, so thus confirming that we're moving down again. And like I said, we're just flowing in the middle of this channel, which is fine. Are we doing something right? Let's see. This is positive, this is positive. I can go from here. High to low. Then we have low to high, right? So some hidden bearish, moving down. We also have it here against the RSI, right? Hidden bearish, moving down on that. Subscribed, awesome, bro. Thanks for the subs. Thanks for the sub. Sean, I'm trying to see the triangle that you're talking about. I'm not seeing it easily. So, are we talking about something in a larger trend, like something like this? You mean maybe? Like, do you want to see if we had a triangle like this? Or, I'm not sure what triangle. If you're in the Discord and you can send me the picture, I would know precisely what you're talking about. Because I'm trying to see where you're talking about a triangle. If this is a long-term triangle, yeah, we kind of broke it to the downside. We're moving back up and rejecting, I would say, right? That's what it would seem. I'm not sure if this is a triangle that you're kind of talking about, right? I'm not pinpointing it. I'm just trying to figure out which 1 hour triangle you're talking about for XRP. Short term, again, we're in a downtrend, right? That's fine. Took that nice pop. Again, XRP has just more or less been moving in a downtrend. Right, look at this. Again, I'm not pinpointing this. I just want to show or highlight the downsloping trend that we have. And as you can tell, it's fairly okay, right? High, low, low, high, low, high, right? So we're bouncing in this area. Again, still in downtrend. Unfortunately, right, just like Bitcoin. I might leave this up, actually. I kind of like it. It's working out okay. Anyways, we impulsed up. We kind of flagged. We impulsed up. We're flagging. We could try to go for another impulse up. And we might then create some bearish divergence. Strong for us to break down. Right now, it's okay. I'm going to get the Bollinger Bands back out. I want to see where we're at with relation to the 20. We're above it. We beautifully found support here at the 20. And the 54.81 support line that we had, which is really cool, right? Again, we're super supported, and then we just took that nice bounce. That's it for XRP neutral at 53.16. So let's go check out Litecoin. What is happening with Litecoin? Litecoin on the 1 hour. Low, lower, right? We were looking for some kind of bullish divergence, but let's go to the daily first. On the daily, nothing. We're just holding support. That's fine. Yesterday we pumped back up, just like the rest of crypto. We're not doing much. Maybe some hidden bullish, right? Low to high. Negative, more negative. Some hidden bullish divergence. That's about it. On the RSI, we're just neutral at 49.14. So neutral there. Let me just anchor this in the 1 hour chart. On that note, let's do the 4 hour. So right now, Kazi, we're gonna do Litecoin. Then it's Binance, and then after that, it's ADA for sure. That's usually how the stream rolls. Anyways, what do we have here on the 4 hour? Look at that, boom. We were looking for that bullish divergence. We did develop it. Taking a pop, not as strong as the rest of the other coins, but again, we still managed to close the day green yesterday. Today already opening red. Sold at 38.95 on there, so we don't have anything against the MACD. And again, like I said, the pump's not looking as strong like, for example, XRP's pump, right? So let's go to the 1 hour chart. On the 1 hour, we're looking for this bullish divergence. We did take a small pop, drop lower still. And on this move, we created some strong bullish divergence within this same area. Look at that, from here to here. All right, let's just anchor this in the 1 hour chart. There we are. Where I'm, where are you from? Where I'm from? You're from London? I'm from Mexico, dude. Right on. Strong bullish divergence, action to the upside. We're taking that nice pop, moving down, taking another pop. Again, let's see where we're at here. 39, 36, right. Some bearish divergence developing here. Strong bearish divergence against the MACD. Nothing against the RSI, just like the rest of the other projects, right? Neutral at 47.37, that's it. Moving down on that, holding the 20, just like the rest of crypto. Again, everything is just a copy of every other coin, right? Again, the major cryptos are all moving similar. What's the Binance? Binance moving down, rejecting the 20. Low, higher low. Now we finally got something. Nope, we don't. Low, negative, less negative. Low there, such a hard point. Nothing there still. Neutral at 44.31. Again, yesterday pumping back up just like the rest of the other projects. 1.85 on the gains yesterday. 1.85% today. 0.43. Sitting at $28.04. Let's go to the 4 hour chart. On the 4 hour. We had the bullish divergence again. You know, we're calling it here. You know, the next couple of 4 hour candles still works. I think we lost it here just like we did with Ethereum. 173, 176, yes. So we are losing this. But we did manage to move up with the rest of the projects, so that's fine. You know, rejecting near the 20. Neutral at 40.78. Again, not a lot happening here on the 4 hour. Let's go to the 1 hour chart. On the 1 hour chart, we had the bullish divergence, right? We're looking for that move to the upside. We did move up. Wake the 20 rejected. On that move, we created some more strong bullish divergence, right? Again, just like this is the same move that Bitcoin had. Right? So we had that. Then we go from here to zero, right? From negative to positive. Then we go from low to high on the other side. And with that, we would have been looking for that movement to the upside. Again, I told you guys I was expecting this move yesterday with Bitcoin. I even left the lines in blue, and when we came today, you know, we already had that move, which is okay. Again, I was expecting to see some kind of divergence form, then try to rally. We did go high. We hit very close to 28.50, which is a resistance, and then we're moving down again right now, trying to sustain above the 20. On that note, high, higher, high, positive. Well, it's positive on their side, right? So some strong bearish divergence there, potential movement to the downside, right? That's what we're getting. Again, trying to hold on to 20. We hold on to 20, we're going to very likely retest 28.50. Let's go do ADA. What's up with ADA, man? Again, within the channel, right? We broke 14.99. We did drop lower. We did hit 13 cents. I think Steve was looking for an entry near 15 cents. Or 13 cents, sorry. So he might have gotten his in, or maybe even lower, so I'm not sure. But anyways, we wicked it. Pull back up again. Hit the 20, rejecting, right? Below 14.99. We talked about that area the other day, right? We said it's good to be holding above that area. And now it's a resistance, so that's fine. Neutral at 52.29. Let's go to the 4 hour chart. On the 4 hour chart, sorry, on the daily, did I miss the bullish? No, we had it, so that's fine. Bullish, right? What do we have here? We had some bullish divergence. Took a nice pop, dropped lower, negative. So low, lower, low, negative, more negative. Low on the other side to a lower point, right? So there is... we're not doing any kind of bullish, strong bullish divergence or anything like that for the pump, right? Steve, but a little more. That's awesome, bro. I'm glad you're here, man. I didn't know you were here. Thanks for being here, Steve. Thanks for saying hi. Again, getting that move to the upside, hitting that 14.99 area and rejecting. Still below 20. Neutral at 46.97. I'm trying to see if we have some kind of divergence here, and we might have something here. Some kind of hidden bearish from here to here on the 4 hour chart. Then from here to here, right? Going slightly higher. As you can look at here, it's I'm just gonna read the numbers. I'm gonna read the point into zero, but it's 18.017, and this is 22.178, right? Slightly more. Again, hidden bearish. There's a chance we might move down with that. Let's go to the 1 hour chart. We're hitting our head in the 20, going back down. Yeah, that's what I'm trying to determine, dude. Again, this is doing the same move that I called for Bitcoin, where I left the little things hanging there on blue, and I said, look, we're just gonna come tomorrow. I'm gonna see if we develop divergence, and we had developed that bullish divergence, right? I'm gonna look this bullish divergence here in Bitcoin. This I left in blue. They were more or less something like that, right? Because I didn't know when we were gonna hit. All I said was we need to come slightly lower. And this one I didn't have to move. We had almost a perfect hit. This one I think we almost had a perfect hit, slightly shorter though. But again, right, have that strong bullish divergence, taking that pop. And again, a lot of crypto has this, right? A lot of crypto is developing the exact same move. Let's look at the ADA. It's not the exception. It's here, right? That move, strong bullish divergence, action to the upside, taking that nice pop. Let's see, 1179, 12. So slightly higher. That's good. We don't have the strong bearish divergence here. We're just kind of flagging and consolidating at this area right now. We could try to go for another move to the upside. I mean, this is going to be if Bitcoin allows, right? If Bitcoin tanks, this will tank, right? So, yeah. So, yeah, sure, I can look at Cardano to Bitcoin, dude. No worries. Cardano to Bitcoin. I want to do that. Well, right, look, it's looking very similar as to the Dollar Valley, right? Just going here. Going here. It's going here. You have some strong bullish divergence for action to the upside, right? So we took that nice pop, high, higher, positive, more positive, high, never to a higher point. So you don't have anything bearish, right? And then you just like moving sideways. So again, it's looking very, very similar to the main Cardano chart that we look at, right? It's not like we're looking at something that's foreign or that has anything different there. Trying to place this right next below the other Cardano chart because then it makes it easier for me to find. I don't have to be like scrolling through the whole watch list, but since I just seen this right now. There we are. Yes, for every night, the law of his ADA. Yeah, dude, he's an ADA evangelist. Ninik1371. Hey, what are your thoughts on the price action of Wave? Do you think it will continue to the upside? Dude, I haven't looked at Wave. We'll check it out. Let me finish Cardano and then I'll check out Wave. If Bitcoin dumps, ADA will dump harder against it. Maybe, dude, right? It could. Again, look, this Cardano to $1. This Cardano to Bitcoin, right? It looks very similar. Look at the charts, right? We're not talking about like worlds apart. So, again, I could try to get some fibs out here maybe on the daily. Let's see. From the high to the low. We already made a valid retrace. Hit that 382, right? Almost spot on, and we're pushing back down below it. On the 1 hour, of course, we're below that area, and you can tell that we hit it almost spot on. And I just threw some quick fibs, but that's fine. Here it became support, and then became resistance, right? And then resistance again. So that's fine. I mean, we're below that area. I mean, we could be trying to move up again to that 382, although it's going to be a high move to the upside. And here on Cardano, it should at least get us to a different point here, right? Maybe the 17-cent mark, right? But we'll see, man. Right now, like I said, not super confident on the market. It looks like it's just moving sideways, right? For most of the projects, like I said, it's just consolidating, right? We had a nice pullback down. Look, I'll go to Bitcoin real quick to show you what I'm talking about. We had a pullback down. Look, we'll pull back down, right? Broke below this area. Like I told you, we're going to have to revisit 70,781 yesterday, right? We revisited it. We actually moved below it. We didn't trigger this area, 17,225. Like I told you, that's where I'm starting to get a little bit concerned with Bitcoin. And then if it breaks 16,951, then I'll get a little bit more concerned. But staying above this area, like I said, we're still on this channel, 19,496, 17,781. But we managed to pull back up and close within the kind of falling channel that we have, right? And we called that one out the other day, yesterday or the other day, right? We said the downward channel, we're still within it. And that's just fine, right? We're back on this area of support resistance. We're still at the 20. We're bouncing there. Let's see if we can get to the mid part of the channel and then move up, right? That's why I'm looking for Bitcoin right now. Again, it moved to a downside. We're breaking below the 20. We have support here at the bottom of the channel and support here at 17,781. Then 17,225, right? Those are the supports. So we just finished Cardano to this, Cardano to that. Let's look at Wave. Do I have Wave open? That is a question. I can't remember if we looked at Wave before. Oh, we do. We have. We've looked at Wave sometime. I can't remember when. A long time ago. Wow, that's pretty good. Right, look from low to high. We did sort of a deep retrace, and then we just like pumped hard. So let me see if I can do this the opposite real quick on the fibs. So let's go from high to low. There we are. So we did get over 161.8%. That's fine. So that's good here, right? What I'm going to try to do now, it's fib this other area. Let's go from low to high, dude. We've wicked the 236, but we have not done a good retrace to that area, so that's fine. Last time we looked at Wave was... Okay, when was the last time we looked at Wave? Wow, probably up here, somewhere around this area. We don't have anything charted for it, which is just freaking weird, but again, above the 20, right? We hit the 20, we took that nice bounce. Again, heading for that 100% at $9. Right now, sitting at $8.59. We do have some strong bearish divergence developed here, right? And the 20 did hold a support. There's a chance we could still go down on the bearish divergence. But I can tell you this, if we go higher here, we're very likely, like, let's say we try to get out of this area, we're likely going to develop some strong bearish divergence here. And then try to break down on that, and also on the RSI, right? So that's something to be watching out for. I mean, I'm not saying it's going to break down right now. But let's see how it's going to recover off this bounce at the 20, right? If we cannot get above $9, there's a chance we're going to try to go again for these 236 at $7.36. That will be the potential move for Wave here on the daily. Let's go to the 4 hour. I forgot to anchor this on the daily. Haha. Right on, let's check this out. Higher, higher, more positive, right? So to here we're fine. But I'm all the way up here, you know, no bearish divergence at least. Let me check against this back here. We might have something here. 0.957, 891. Right, we do. High to low. We're going from one island to the next, so that's very, very valid, right? There's that bearish divergence, strong action to the downside. We don't have it against the RSI. We took that move down, and that move we created some hidden bullish. All right, look at this. Low, higher low. Negative, more negative. Low on there at the lower point, right? Hidden bullish even against the RSI. Price action to the upside, taking that nice pump. Got above the 20, came retest it. Trying to hold on that support right now, trying to see if we're going to move higher right now. So that's fine. Short term, we don't have a lot. Neutral, 56.70, so high, low. Positive, negative, high, low, right? Everything's congruent. Let's go to the 1 hour. Right. The 1 hour chart. Come in here. Come in here. Don't have it against RSI. We're going from a slightly higher point to a lower point. But again, we have some hidden bearish against the MACD. We're moving down on that. You know, from here to here and from here to here, we don't have anything, right? Low, lower low, negative, more negative. Low on the RSI to lower point. Even here short term, we're still coming here. Might have created something on this side here. Let's see. Yeah, slightly, man. Very, very slightly on this last portion here. Ever so slightly lower. Right here. And then... here, right? So we have that strong bullish divergence that got us to pop. Then we create this hidden bearish. It's moving us down. We haven't quite gotten to a 20. I would have loved to see a test of the 20 as support. That's actually better. Then we could try to take a bounce and see if we're going to go higher than this previous high. If we manage to go higher than this previous high, we'll very likely get rid of the bearish divergence, but we're going to create strong bearish divergence by then. This will very likely be going higher. and these will still be coming slightly lower here, also lower here on the RSI. So again, that's something to watch out for. We're gonna have it near that 100% if we do that, and there's a chance that we could try to reject that area again. Right, that will be the moves to watch out for with this project. Again, just give you the main outline of what could happen. Again, I would have expected to see a retest of the 20. It wouldn't be weird if it just manages to drop here. If this fails to go higher than here, the hidden bearish still kicks in, and it's going to move us lower, right? So we do need that this move gets us higher than this area. Otherwise, we're going to move down again. Sitting bought at 61.51 on the RSI. That's it for Wave. Thank you for asking, Ninik. If you guys like what we do, hit that like button, that sub. It'd be awesome. I'm gonna do RSR real quick, and after that I'll do DVT. Then I'll look at the markets real quick, because all the markets, most of the markets did move down, so we'll see. RSR on the daily yesterday managed to move up. Wow, awesome! It did go up high, dude. It did get to approximately 2.2 cents. Which is nice. Again, right, pulled back down, broke and closed below the 50% retrace. Right now, still struggling to get above that area. We don't have anything on the daily. Neutral at 51.73. Let's go to the 4-hour. We're not creating bearish divergence, right? High, higher high, positive, more positive, high, and there's such a higher point. Nothing bearish. But we're still managing to move down on that. Why? Maybe on the 1 hour we have a clue, right? We might have created some bearishness there. Some bearish divergence. Neutral at 53.11. Let's go to the 1 hour chart. Again, that impulse up, it's looking like it's flagging right now. So on that note, we had that bullish divergence, right? Even we created more here, right? Slightly lower here. Low, slightly lower low. Again, like that other project had. Wave, I think, it was the one we looked at that had the same move. Again, a lot of crypto has this strong bullish divergence here. That nice pop. So, of course, high, higher, high, positive, more positive, high on there, side to a higher point. Nothing on the 1 hour, right? Right now we're just moving down. We did move down here. We did hit the 20, which is good. We want to usually test for support. We did test support here at the 50% a couple times. Then we tested resistance. So that's fine. Using support of the 20, trying to pump back up. Let's see if we can get above that 50, that 0.55 node and see how that goes, right? Low, higher, low, negative, less negative. Low on their side to a higher point. Neutral 55.05. So, yeah. Let's go check out DVT real quick. DVT at 1.8 sats. It hasn't moved, so I'm not going to go into detail here, man, because we know the 1 hour's weird. The 4 hours is moving flat since yesterday. So we're not doing anything on the 4 hour. And then the daily, that's the only thing I'm going to look at right now. Again, we're moving flat for the last couple days, which is fine. And we know that we have some strong bullish divergence because we already looked at this before, right? So we're going from the low to a lower low, and we know we have some strong bullish against the RSI and nothing against the MACD. So that's gonna be it for DVT, and again, super quick because it hasn't moved in the last couple days, basically. So we're just sitting neutral. Let's do markets real quick, dude, because markets move down. Gold and silver. Gold move up, I think. Yeah. Gold move down also, sorry. Yesterday, so that's fine. Again, the crypto was moving down with gold at the beginning, and then the market started to move down, and then crypto started to move back up towards the end of the stock market closing. Again, bearish divergence, moving down on that, right? Hidden bearish, we talked about it. At 1,839 per ounce. Silver at $24.01, rejecting the 1618. Holding the 20, that's okay. We don't have anything going on here with silver. The Dow, down 105 points. Look, it did move down today, right? Like I said. Bearish divergence. Kind of sitting at this area still, sideways. Dow Live, moving up. 3 points right now. Very little. Again, still have this bearish divergence. S&P, moved down, right? Same, strong bearish divergence. Losing 29 points yesterday. London, losing 64 points. Right, bearish divergence. Nikkei, up 350 points, but still lower, right, on strong bearish divergence. And then Toronto down 79 points right along. All the main American markets moved down today, so that's fine. West Texas Oil at $45.67, just sideways motion on oil, like I said. And Brent oil very likely doing the same thing, just moving sideways here at around $49.08 per barrel. Right, that's it. That's it for today. Guys, I wish I could stay today and chill and talk longer. can do that today. I have other stuff I need to finish, and then I have to wake up early tomorrow because I'm doing stock scanning today, which is really, really cool. And that just takes a little bit more of my time. And so tonight I'm super tired because I did go to bed late yesterday and woke up super early. So I'm going to call it a stream for tonight. I need to get some Z's. I'll be here tomorrow again so we can chat and talk about crypto. I thank you guys for being here. Steve, thank you for being here. Ninik, thank you for coming in. Kazi, thank you for being here, man. Andrew, thank you for popping in. And Sean Stone, thank you for being here, guys. Thank you for being here. Again, if you like what we do, you know what to do. Hit that like, that bell, that sub. Again, this is Stellar Crypto. I'm your host, Martin. It's a pleasure being here. I hope that you find the content educational and entertaining. And if you did like what we did, talk about crypto to your friends, to your family, and to your coworkers, and let them know that we are here. On that note, I'll catch you again tomorrow for another edition of Stellar Crypto. Until then. Thank you, Jake, for being here. I didn't see you on stream, but thank you for being here, buddy.